Hi everyone, welcome to our channel DIY with Kanchan. So if you are new here, consider subscribing and hit the ring bell for the new videos I post almost every week. So today we'll be making this beautiful flower out of a glitter craft paper and we'll stick it on the hairband something like this. So let's get started. So to make this we required glitter paper, scissors, hot glue gun, some stickers and felt paper, and all the supplies are easily available in any stationery shop. So our glitter craft paper hairband is this is looking absolutely amazing, and no one can make out that this hairband is handmade, homemade. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please do subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. And if you're new to our channel, watch my other videos as well. Till then, see you next time. Bye bye.